Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brein from People's Camp. Once again, today we come to the most interesting topic: prepositions in Jamaican Patois. Prepositions in Jamaican Patois. Straight without wasting any time, but as usual, on my left, English version, in the middle, Jamaican equivalent, and on your right, example in Patois and translated in English. What are prepositions? I have no definition, but I can give you examples. Words like to, of, on, onto, at, from. Those are prepositions. So we have English prepositions and Jamaican equivalents of prepositions. Yes, we go to the examples. We have under English to, going to a place. Going to a place. Remember, in English, we go to a place. You go to Mecca. You go to Medina. You go to Milan. You go to New York. You go to Uganda. You go to Africa. You go to South America. But in Jamaican, we don't go to a place. We go a place. We go a Mecca. We go a Dubai. We go a New York. We go a Vegas. That is the difference. In English, we go to a place, but in Jamaican, we don't go to a place. We go a England. We go a London. So, do you get me clear? So, under example, we have them Ghana, England. Them Ghana, England, meaning they have gone to England. Ghana, England, gone to England. Then, example 2, miwa forward Yaad. Miwa forward Yaad, meaning I want to go to Jamaica. Miwa ga Yaad. Miwa go a Yaad. I want to go to Jamaica. You may call it Jamaica. You may call it the Yaad. You may call it the island. So, Yaad is Jamaica, but we all know that the word Yaad can also mean your home. Me there Yaad, I'm here at home. So that is Yaad for you. And again, the third example under 2, you're asking a little child who does not want to go to school, and you say in Jamaican, where you know I go to school? Where you know I go to school? Meaning, why don't you want to go to school? Go a school. Go to school. Go a school. Go to school. So, that is preposition to mean, preposition a to mean to, going to a place. Now, we have preposition to in a phrase before a verb. Somebody says, I want to eat. I want to sleep. I want to swim. Remember, in Jamaican, you may either use it, preposition to before a verb, or you may omit it, and the sentence will be okay. Like somebody can simply say, me wa sleep. That means I want to sleep. Or me wa fi sleep. I want to sleep. Same thing. You may use it, you may not. Me wa run. I want to run. Me wa fi run. I want to run. Me need see them. Me need see them. I want to see them. Me need fi see them. I want to see them. So, this preposition to, in Jamaican, we say fi. That is to before a verb. A verb is a doing word. I want to move. Me wa fi move. So that is fi, to mean to before a verb. So under example, we have the first example. Me wa fi nyam some bickle. Me wa fi nyam some bickle. Meaning I want to eat some food. 2. Them a try to kill me. Them a try to kill me. They are trying to kill me. And lastly, me no know what fi do. Me no know where to do. I don't know what to do. That is preposition fi to mean to. We go to preposition of. Preposition of. How do you say of in Jamaican? You simply use the article a. Or yes, the article a, or sometimes we may use fi or fe. And under example we say, me I go course one of them. Me I go course one of them. I am going to scold one of them. Remember, I explained to you the word scold, what it means. If you do a mistake, if you make a mistake, if you do wrong to your parents, your mom will tell you, will follow you with so much rude talk. You boy, what's wrong with you? Are you insane? You don't want to lay your bed, you wake up and leave, you don't do anything, domestic work at home. So that is scolding. It's not insult, but it is scolding. So, me I go curse one of them. I'm going to scold one of them. Then, another example. Me afraid adopt them. Me afraid adopt them. Meaning, I am afraid. Afraid adopt. I'm afraid of ghosts. Dopey them. Or dopey them. Ghosts. Adopt is a ghost. Me afraid adopt them. I'm afraid of ghosts. So, afraid of them, afraid of. Next example, someone will say, them no for me style. Them no for me style. Meaning they are not of my style. So, of meaning are. So many words, some of them, some of them. None of them, none of them. One of them, one of them. Two of them, two of them. Six of them, six of them. So that is article a to mean of in Jamaican Patois. Prepositions. We go to preposition on. How do you say on in Jamaican? Sometimes we simply say an when we are talking of words like go on, going on. We use an. But if on is in a particular sentence like sit on this, the thing is on that, we say pan or pon, but pan is the standard Jamaican accent. For instance, somebody says, go and do your thing, girl. Go and do your thing, girl. Go on and do your thing, girl. And I've always repeated myself telling you that in Jamaican greeting, we have that salutation which goes like, Wagwan, my youth, or Wagwan, which is what's going on. So you can find that it's a combination of going and on. Wagwan. Guan is a combination of going and preposition on. Wagwan, what's going on. Gan is a preposition of, rather it is a combination of go and preposition on. Gan or guan. Guan. Gana do your thing or guana do your thing. Go on. That is preposition on. And another example where we use pan, we say take body, sit down pani. Take body, sit down pani. Meaning take body, sit down on it. This is a phrase especially used by men while telling a girl before making love. Let's say everyone is naked, both of them are naked, and then the guy is sleeping on the bed facing upwards. So he tells the girl, or the girlfriend, take body, sit down pan it. Meaning, come on me, come on top of me, take body. Take the cock, sit down pan it, sit on it. Meaning allow penetration. So that is a very common statement. Body in Jamaican, it means a man's penis, whereas a man's penis is commonly called khaki or wood, but body can as well mean khaki. So take body, sit down pan it. Take body, sit down on it. Yes. Another example, we say the whole of them dep on the chalk. The whole of them dep on the chalk, meaning all of them are on the track. In English we call it a track, a lorry, a track. And in Jamaican, instead of track we say chalk. The whole of them dep on the chalk, all of them are on the track. Good. Then we go to preposition where we say am on, is on, are on, was on, were on. I told you, I explained this under the topic. What was the topic? The Jamaican verb to be. The Jamaican verbs to be, am, become, are, was, and here we are. How do you say on, is on, are on, was on, were on? You simply say am on, we say depan. Is on, we say depan. Are on, we say depan. Was on, we say depan or did pan. And were on, we say depan or did pan. Seen? Okay. Under example, I'm on depan. Wolan, me depan sell still. Wolan, me depan sell still. Meaning, sorry, hold on, I'm still on phone. Next example, Babylon depan mirasino. Babylon depan mirasino. Meaning, police is on my ass, you're being chased by police. Babylon is police in Jamaican, whereas Babylon also means the West, white people. So Babylon, another words to mean Babylon, you may say the beast depan mirasina. The police is on my ass, they're chasing me. Or the blue sim or them boy there. When you say them boy there, you sometimes mean police, whereas them boy they can as well mean those guys or those boys. Them boy there. So them boy they depan miras. Police is on my case. Police is on my ass. So that is depan is on. And then again we have depan, which means are on. And we say the mango them depan the table. The mango them depan the table, meaning the mangoes are on the table. And then depan, which is was on. How do you say was on? You say depan. And for example, we say muma depan a mishande. Muma depan a mishande, meaning mom was on a mission there. Mother was on a mission there. And then when you don't say, if you don't say depan to mean was on, you may say did pan to mean was on. And for example, you may say mama did pan a mission there. Mama did pan a mission there, meaning mom was on a mission there. And then lastly, how do you say were on? Were on. Not for them depan left. Not for them depan left. Many of them were on leave. Or not for them did pan left. Many of them were on leave. At work, when you get a leave, work leave. Okay, we go to preposition onto. Onto we simply use pan or depan. And under example we may use something like wall yourself pan it. Wall yourself pan it, meaning hold yourself on it. And example 2, stick the pan your job. Stick the pan your job. Oh, stick pan your job, meaning stick on to your job. Stick pan your job. Stick on to your job. Stick on your job. Yes, we have preposition often. In English we say often, but in Jamaican we say often. Often. Me often pa with him. Me often pa with him. meaning I often hang out with him. Yes, we go to preposition at. At we say or pan or depan. All those can mean at. And first example where we use at to mean at, you say them at the church. Them at the church, meaning they are at the church. And two, where we use pan to mean at, you simply say where look pan mifa. Where look pan mifa. Somebody's asking you, where look pan mifa? Meaning, why are you looking at me? Where look pan mifa? Why are you looking at me? And where we use depan to mean at, you wicked depan football. You wicked depan football. You're telling somebody they are so good at football. You are so good at football. Or you wicked pan football. You wicked at football. You are so nice at, you're extraordinary at football. You're talking of the likes, you're talking about the likes of Ronaldinho, Kaka, Messi, Pele, Ronaldo. I mean, so many of them. Brein Yaad. Yeah, I'm also good at football. Just have to come to the stadium and watch me play as I salad them. To salad is to dribble, to pass the ball in between someone's legs. That stunt is called salad. Salad in Jamaican. So I'm also good at salading. Me good pan salad. Okay, we go to preposition from. How do you say from in Jamaica? Can you say from or fra? And we have example like where you are come from? Where you are come from? Meaning where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Or minute bly fra jaja. Minute bly fra jaja. Meaning I need a chance from God. I need a chance from the Lord. Jaja, God. And bly is chance or an opportunity. Minute bly fra jaja. Good. We go to preposition under. And under we simply say under or honor. And somebody will say something like this. Fish them afi ana water. Fish them afi ana water. Meaning fish have to be underwater. Remember that the plural of the word fish is fish. It's not fishes. If you say fishes, you mean different species of fish. Different species of fish. Nile perch fish. The hill fish. So that's when you can say fishes, but fish, the plural of fish is fish. Fish them afi underwater. Fish have to be underwater. Good. We go to preposition out. You simply say out, out or out. And an example we have get out, pussy wall. Get out, pussy wall. Get out, motherfucker. And the second example is where the bomb clatter come out of your blasted mouth. Where the bomb clatter come out of your blasted mouth. Meaning, what the hell, what the fuck is coming out of your fucking mouth? Where the bomb clatter come out of your blasted mouth. Meaning, what the fuck, what the hell is coming out of your fucking mouth. Your damn mouth, blasted damn mouth. Yes, we go straight to outside. How do you say outside? You simply say ado. From the word do, when you are outside, you are ado. Ado. And somebody says, turn the ado, soon come. Turn the ado, soon come. Meaning, wait there outside. I will soon come. Yes. we go to preposition out of. These are two prepositions, out of, and out of we say outer, outer. And this preposition has been borrowed by the English people. They use it just like yesterday I told you the English people have borrowed words like kinda from Jamaican Patois. So they borrowed long time outer to mean out of. So under example, somebody will say him need one outer unal. Him need one outer unal, meaning he needs one out of you all, or he needs one out of all of you, unal. Then example 2, she the outer control. She the outer control, meaning she's out of control. She has taken so much drugs, alcohol. So you're going to lick her the 6. She the outer control. She's out of control. So much cocaine. You know when you take cocaine, it has no time to make you mad. It will just kill you. But it may take you out of control for some time. Yes. Another example, me dey go leak the bombo clat out of your bombo clat head, boy. Come again. Me dey go leak the blood clot, or me dey go leak the bombo clat out of your bombo clat head, boy. And that statement means I'm going to beat the hell out of your fucking head, boy. You've done something wrong, and your father tells you something like, me dey go leak the bombo clat out of your bombo clat head, boy. I'm going to beat the hell out of your fucking head, boy. Yes, that is preposition out of. And then we have preposition off. Off. And off, we simply say af. Instead of o, we say a. So we shall have af for off. And the example will be, Bombo wall, get off me kia. Bombo wall, get off me kia. Meaning, asshole, get off my car. Or somebody would say, ita go cut off your head. Or ita go cut off your hand. Meaning, it's going to cut off your hand. Maybe it's a pang, maybe it's a machine. Ita go cut off your hand. It's going to cut off your hand. Yes, we go to preposition above. Instead of saying above, we say over. And an example would be, the iron bad the over we. The iron bad over we, meaning the plane is above us. We go to preposition beyond. How do you say beyond? It's just a change in accent, and instead of beyond we say beyond. And the examples would be, the thing de beyond ya. The thing de beyond ya, meaning that thing is beyond here. Good. Maybe it's a sound of earthquake, and then somebody says, that thing de beyond ya, that thing is beyond here. Yes, we go to preposition near or nearby. How do you say near? Near, you can say near, or yes, near. Or nearby, you say debo. Debo. So, nearby or boya. So we go to example. Somebody says, we near the ground. We near the ground, meaning we are near the ground. And another example would be, watch the beast the bow. Watch the beast the bow. This is take care. Police is near. I've just told you. Another word to mean police is beast, or blue sim, or dembwede. but popularly known as, police is known as Babylon. Especially at first sight of police, somebody shouts, Babylon! You're alerting the rest of the people that police is here. Police has come. Take off. Run for your life. Babylon! So, it means police. But beast is also used to mean police. So, when somebody says, watch the beast, the bow. In English, we say beast. We pronounce the T at the end. But in Jamaican, we simply say beast. Beast. Watch the beast, the bow. Take care or watch. Police is near. Yes, we go to preposition over. Over, we simply say over or aba. Over. And example would be take body. Come over me. Take body. Come over me. Another preposition done. Already. And done is done. And example would be them done, me born them. Them done, me born them. Meaning they are finished. I have or I killed them, me born them. To burn. I killed them is to kill. To burn. Or me dead them. I have killed them, I killed, me dead them. So someone that is dead will be dead, and to kill you can as well use dead. Me I go dead Smaddy, I'm going to kill Smaddy. Me I go kill Smaddy, me I go burn Smaddy. To burn somebody is to kill them, especially with a gun, because a gun emits fire. Fire. So you kill somebody by burning them with gunfire. So you burn them. Me I go burn Smaddy. Yes. Whereas we all know that if the word burn can as well mean to cheat on somebody. To give somebody burn is to cheat on them. Me girl a Jimmy Bone. My girl is cheating on me. Me husband a Jimmy Bone. My husband is cheating on me. Okay, me woman a Jimmy Bone. My woman is cheating on me. So, a small kid will come out and say, Mama G father bone. Mama G father bone, meaning mom is cheating on dad. Mama G father bone, mom is cheating on dad. Good. We go to preposition up. Up. No. Yes, preposition up. Instead of up, the accent for you in Jamaican is o. O. Whenever you see letter U somewhere, just pronounce it as if it's o. And instead of up, we say up. Up. Up there. Go up. So, under example, we say, he move up and down. He move up and down, meaning he moves up and down. An example 2, you are going to bust up with him. You are going to bust up with him. You are going to bust up. You are going to bust up with him. You are going to bust up with him. You're going to quarrel with him. You're going to bust up with him. You are going to bust up with him. Another preposition is upper, because up is pronounced as up. So upper will be upper. And example we shall have move. Move upper room the so. Move upper room the so, meaning move to the upper room there. A upper room the so. To the upper room there. Good. We have preposition higher. Higher. And higher, we don't say ha. We say higher. 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 So, somebody says in Rastafarian, I and I move I and I. I and I move I and I, meaning we are moving higher and higher, or I am moving higher and higher. I and I move I and I. So that is it. We have preposition below, and instead of saying below we say bottom side. Bottom side. And the Jamaican would say something like this: im bottom side the house. I bottom side the house, meaning it is below the house. It's below the house. Yes. We go to preposition almost. In English we say almost. In Jamaican we say almost. Almost. So somebody says, me almost get in a trouble. Me almost get in a trouble, meaning I almost got into trouble. We go to preposition for. Remember, I told you the word fi has many meanings, ranging from to, should, for. So here again we come to fi, which means for. And an example we say, me love you real. Me love you fi real. Me love you fi real. So me love you real. I love you for real. My love for you is real. Fi. And fi can as well be spelled as F-E. And somebody would say, where I do it for? Where I do it for? What? Who are you doing it for? Where I do it for? What are you doing it for? Or who are you doing it for? It can mean either of those two. Where I do it for? What are you doing it for? Or who are you doing it for? Then fa can as well mean for, because we have F-O. That O will change to A and it will be pronounced as fa. And we shall have an example like, no take me for idiot, or no take me for idiot. No take me for idiot, or no take me for idiot. No take me for papi show. No take me for punk. No take me for jankro. Don't take me for a fool. Don't take me for an idiot. I'm not a punk. Me no punk. No take me for idiot. Don't take me for a fool. Don't take me for an idiot. Okay. We have preposition aside. And aside we say one side to mean aside. And the example would be, keep one side a beg. Keep one side a beg, or keep one side please. A beg please. You keep aside please. Good. And then we have preposition upon. Upon would be pan or depan. And an example would say, no lean depan me, or no lean pa me. Don't lean upon me, or don't lean on me. No lean pa me. Well, we have preposition bottom. I told you in Jamaican Patois, some words that have O in them. Where you see O, just place A or A, and the word bottom will be bottom. The word from will be from. The word off will be off. Okay? The word over will be over. So, we have this bottom, and in Jamaican we say bottom. And somebody will say something like this: I depan a river bottom. I depan a river bottom. Or him depan a river bottom. He is at the river bottom. He's a good swimmer. He has swum and up to the river bottom. Him depan a river bottom. He is at the river bottom. That is bottom for you. Then we have preposition behind. Behind. In Jamaican, behind we say baka. Baka. And the example is Sanya, fala baka mino. Sanya, fala baka mino. Meaning Sonia, fall behind me now, follow me now. You tell somebody, kupa near back. Kupa near back. Kupa near back. Sitting back at you. Look at your back. Look behind you. Something is behind you. Sitting back at you. Something is behind you. Good. We go to preposition down. Down. This is very common. You've heard it in lyrics, you've heard it in speeches, and the Jamaican equivalent of the preposition down is dong. Dong, mostly spelled as D-U-N-G, dong. And under example, we say everything a come down. Everything a come down. Everything is coming down. Another example, we go up fi come down. We go up fi come down. What goes up must come down. Obi Trice. You know that American rapper Obi Trice, who always sings with Eminem. What goes up must come down. We go up fi come down. Yes, that is down for you. Sit down pan it. Sit down. Sit down. That is down, down. Once. Preposition once. Instead of saying once, we say one. For instance, me the offering one time. Sorry, instead of saying once, we say one time. One time. And somebody would say, me the offering one time. I was abroad once. Yes, past. Past. How do you say past? You say pass. You don't pronounce the T. And an example, somebody would say, you chat about past things. You chat about past things, meaning you are talking about past things, past stuff, past stories. Let bygones be bygones. How do you say let bygones be bygones in real Jamaican? You say make bygone the bygone. Make bygone the bygone. Let bygones be bygones. To let is to make. That's why Burning Spear told us that. Make we do it. Let us do it. Make me tell on something. Let me tell you something. Make me tell on something. Let me tell you something. Make bygone be bygone. Make bygone the bygone. So that is let bygones be bygones. But in this particular example, somebody says, yes, we go to the next preposition, last. Instead of last, you say last. You don't pronounce the T, just like past. You simply say last. And this is because I told you in that particular topic where we are looking at standard Jamaican pronunciation or accent, all words that end with ST or EST, we don't pronounce the T at the end. We have words like wickedest, we say wickedest. We have words like best, we say best. We have words like beast, we say beast. We have words like house, we say house. No, host, we say host. So many words. So many words. And this inclusive. Last for last. So somebody says, who laugh last, laugh best. It's self-explanatory. Who laugh last, laugh best. Meaning, he who laughs last, laughs best. We have preposition alongside. Alongside or along or alongside. Alongside would be langside. So example says, a baby wine langside wire. A baby wine langside wire. These are artists from East Africa. Wire is from Kenya and Bobby Wine is from Uganda. So a Bobby Wine alongside Wire. It's Bobby Wine alongside Wire. Yes. Preposition care or mind. Is it a preposition? Okay, let's just look at it. To care or to mind. You say kieta or business or care. And examples are me no kieta what them say. Me no kieta what them say. I don't care what they say. And the second example, me no business about me. No, you know business about me. You know business about me. You don't care about me. And then lastly, me no care if them pick me. Me no care if them pick me. I don't care if they are kids. And preposition together. How do you say together? You simply say together. Together. And together we are going. That is the example. Together we are going. Meaning together we are going to win. Together we going to win. Together we are going to win. Yes. Another preposition, back. Back will be back. Somebody tells watch her. Watch her back. Listen. Watch your back. Take care. Be careful. Watch your back. Preposition before. Before is before. And the example is, me never see them before. I have never seen them before. Middle. Yes, I told you that all words that end with double DLE or DLE, when spoken in Jamaican, that double DLE will change to double GLE. That's why we have words like mido becoming migo, nido becoming nigo, modo becoming mago, amodo like what's her name? Campbell. 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 Yes. Those international models. The word model, when spoken in Jamaican, it will change and become mago. The word nido, it will be nigo. The word mido, it will be migo. So, in this particular example, we have preposition mido. In Jamaican, it is migo. So we say, what makes she ball in the migad night? What makes she ball in the migad night? Meaning, why does she cry in the middle of the night? Maybe the man is lying in bed. Who knows? Maybe they are fighting. So, what makes her ball in the migad night? What makes her cry? Why does she cry in the middle of the night? Yes, we go to preposition apart from. What is another word to mean apart from? Besides. That is another word to mean apart from. Besides. In as much as so many millions of people misuse those two words. Beside and besides. When you say besides, you mean apart from. But when you say beside, it means something is on the side. You bring the jacket. Bring everything besides the phone. Bring everything besides the phone. It means bring everything apart from the phone. But when you say, go and buy me yogurt at that supermarket which is beside the petrol station. Which is beside the petrol station. Which is opposite. Which is beside. On the side. Which is on the side of the petrol station. Beside. Besides is apart from. Besides. Apart from. But beside. On the side. But people don't know English. So it's a blessing in this, guys, to listen to Brein Yaad from Jai People's Camp. as we learn Jamaican, we learn English 1, 2, 3 things, So, apart from, we simply say part fra or part from. And the example would be, the whole of them gone part fra and I. All of them are gone apart from me. Next, both. We say both or two. The two of them want me. Both of them want me. The two of them want me. Both of them want me. Backwards. How do you say backwards? You may use back or backwards. We use backwards especially when we are moving. Now move backwards. Don't move backwards. Or we use back when we want to say backwards. So the examples would be, them fi move back. Them fi move back. They should move backwards. Or who are move backwards? Who is moving backwards? Again, we have the preposition forward, and in English we say forward, whereas in Jamaican we say forward. But this word forward, well, it means forward, the preposition forward. But another meaning of the word forward, it has like 3 meanings or 4 meanings. You may say forward when you mean come. You tell somebody forward, it means come. Or you may use forward when you want to mean go. You tell a group of people, we are forward, we are going. Or Rastafari also use forward to mean encore or anchor. When somebody is performing and the performance is so nice, the crowd starts shouting, "Encore! Do it again, perform again, do that song again." And in Jamaican you simply say forward, anchor. Yes. Under this example, somebody will say gun, move forward star. Gun, move forward star, meaning go on, move forward dude, move forward buddy, move forward dude. And we have these words, a handful, too little, a little bit, a stintler of something. A stintler, that is an English word which means a small amount of, a handful of, a stintler. A handful, too little, a little bit. So we have these words to mean such: cast, camps, quips, or quinky. So under example we have me ab casta mango them. Me ab casta mango them, which means I have a handful of mangoes. And example 2, you Jimmy Kemsalov. You Jimmy Kemsalov. You give me too little love. And lastly, we get quipsadala. We get quipsadala, meaning we have very few dollars. And the word few, we simply use two. Me come with 2 things. Me come with a 2 things. I came with a few things, a 2 things, a few things. Me this need a 2 things. I just need a few things. Me this need a 2 things. I just need a few things. Yes, people, we have preposition around, and instead of saying around, we say round. And example would be, them boy they round. Policemen are around. Squaddy them round. Police officers are around. And then we have the preposition round. The earth is round. It's oval. So we simply say round. Kuya, round yaso. Kuya, round yaso. Look here, around here. And then we have preposition in. We say inna. Me have enough girl in a bongo. Me have enough girl in a bongo. I have many girls in a band. Me have enough girl in a bongo. Africa have enough cute girl in a bongo. We go to inside. Again we say inner to mean inside. We ina ya chineke. We ina ya chineke. Example. We ina ya chineke. What is inside your knickers? What is inside your lingeri? Chineke. Okay. Preposition into. Again we use inner. Mina overstand. Where try turning. Mina overstand. Where try turning. Meaning I don't understand what you are trying to turn into. Mina overstand where I try turning. I don't understand what you are trying to turn into. People, we have preposition father. Father, far from, father. And we say father, father. And the example will be, if you move further, we should move further. Because right here, so we get a whole heap of crises. Because right here we get a lot of problems. So if we move further, we should move further from here. Good. We have the word father. Father. And this father is F-U-R-T-H-E-R. Father. Furthermore. So this will be father as well. Him talk furthermore. He talked furthermore. And then we have preposition against. We remove the letter A and we shall have gens. Gens. Sometimes we don't pronounce the T at the end of against. We say gens. And somebody will say something like, no go against them. No go against them. Meaning, don't go against them. And then we have preposition abroad. This is common food. This is routine. Abroad. Abroad, I told you once that in Jamaican we don't have abroad. We don't use overseas. And those two words are replaced by the word afarin. And afarin is gotten from the English word aforeign, to mean abroad or overseas. And somebody will say something like this: me family go afarin, my family went abroad. Or another example to mean overseas, we can make dollar foreign. We can make dollar foreign. We can make plenty dollar foreign, meaning we can make dollars overseas. We can make plenty of money overseas or abroad. Another preposition is top, and this is also very common. And instead of top, I remember I told you when you see letter O in a Jamaican word, in an English word, when spoken in Jamaican, replace that O with A, and instead of top, we shall have tap. Instead of bottom, we shall have bottom. So, here, we say tap to mean top. And the example is, you see the cat at the top? You see the cat at the top, meaning, do you see the cat at the top? Mitapa. Mitapa pandem. Mitapa them. I am on top of them. Mitapa them. I am on top of them. We have gangster heads, leaders of gangsters, the tapataps, the tapanaris. Tapatap, a tapatap is a Dan Gagan, is a Dan Dada. Tapatap, crime boss. So, tapatap is top of the top. Tapa, tap, top of the top. The head, the president, the general. Tapatap, top of the top. If you're top of the top, you're the cream. If you're the wisest person on earth, just like King Solomon, you are tap. If you're the head of the family in a house, you are the tap. If you're the leader of the state or nation, you're the tap. So, tap. Boss. That is top. For you, they are preposition top. And then we go to top of tapper. Top of tapper. So, tune them. Pantapa tune them. Hits, pantapa hits. That is Kiaplitan. Hits is an English word. A hit. A song that makes it sells platinum. But a hit in Jamaican, we sometimes call them tune. That tune the art. The tune the shirt. So, tune them, pantapa, tune them. Hits on top of hits, or tunes on top of tunes. Hits on top of hits. Tune them, pantapa, tune them. Good. Preposition away. We simply say away. Go fryer. Make exit. Go away from here. Hurry. Make haste. Hurry. Hurry up. Yes. We go to preposition beneath. Beneath. We say beneath because in Patois we rarely have that accent of teeth. Beneath. Instead of beneath, we say beneath or on it or underneath. So somebody says, the puss them on it. The pussycats are beneath. And then we go to midist. Instead of midist, we don't pronounce the T at the end of midist. We simply say midis. We get gagan in our we midis. We have gagan in our we midis. Are they talking about Louis Ranky or Ninja Man? Dan Gagan, Dan Dada. Teddy Blackshirt was Dan Dada. Ninja Man is Dan Gagan. So I think they're talking about Ninja Man. We get Gagan now we midis. We have dons in our midist. Or we have our boss in a name, a Ninja Man. Sin. So, lastly, amongst, among. In Jamaican, we say monks. Monks to mean amongst or among. And the example would be, me monks them, I am among them. Them are me family, them are me pause, them are me combolo, them are me gakon. They are my crew. They are my clique. Gakon. Pause. Family. All those words mean the same thing. So another example. Imad best amongst them. Imad best amongst them. He is the best among them. I told you words that end with ST or EST. We don't pronounce the T at the end. That's why we have words like amongst me becoming monks. Imad the best amongst them. He's the best among them. My name is Brein Yaad. I represent People's Camp from Mama Africa. Love you. Love Unu.